Telnet and password complexity. Hi, my name is John, and in this video we're going to look at how vulnerable your data is each and every time it is transmitted via Telnet, and why you should never use Telnet in any environment, especially if you happen to use it over a public network. We're also going to look at how important it is for you to always create passwords that are meeting the password complexity standards. This video is for you if you happen to be a network and security professional or somebody who's just beginning their career in IT. In this video, we're going to look at how we can capture packets of data using Wireshark, and how we can even crack passwords, as well as attempting to crack more complex passwords. Okay, so let's get started. In order for us to be able to connect to our device using Telnet, I will use Teratem to connect to my switch. Okay, over here I'll select Telnet. Now, the rule is that thou shalt not use Telnet, okay, because it is very, very vulnerable, okay, and it makes our data to be accessible, and in that case making it appear in plain text, because it lacks these inbuilt security features which makes our data to be so secure. So I'll connect to this device, provide the credentials in order for us to log in. Okay, sorry for that, I missed the password. All right, so when we do an enable and we do a show run over there, we're able to basically see what configurations we're running in here. Everything seems to be good, everyone is happy, nobody's complaining, so life seems to be good. However, if somebody has a connection to our network and they're able to begin eavesdropping on our network, the fact that we're connected via Telnet would make the entire system, the entire network, be vulnerable, because the person will be able to view our data or the traffic in plain text. So let's quickly fire up Wireshark and try to see if we're able to establish this. Now, Wireshark is a network analyzer too, and you're able to view different types or capture different types of traffic from different types of interfaces, from your virtual interfaces to your wireless interfaces, even your Ethernet interfaces. Like in this case, I'm going to target my Ethernet. Okay, so you are able to see that there's traffic over there, and when I double click that Ethernet interface, it shows that I have some traffic. Everything seems to be good. So if the person eavesdropping on us begins to collect these packets, okay, now let's go back to Teratem quickly and just try to continue having some activity over there. You notice that already Wireshark begins to collect those packets. Telnet, Telnet, Telnet. That protocol is already vulnerable. And if this person now begins to go further and follow that protocol and even show the TCP stream, they would be able to actually review a lot of information. Oh, look at this, folks. This is very interesting. The person eavesdropping on us is now able to see what our secrets, password secrets are, and what our usernames are, and the passwords are. Now, this is information that is key to accessing our devices, and people without the authorization from the organization to access this information should actually be prevented from accessing the information. Now, what makes the situation worse is that given this password over here, if somebody copies it and takes it into a password cracker, let me just quickly access my browser software. Okay, I'm just trying to access that password cracker quickly. Okay, and then perhaps move to password. I think that was password 7. So I'll go to password 7 and try to crack that password. Okay, if I paste that over there and click on crack, look at that. Very interesting. It doesn't waste time. Already the password that has been encrypted in that format has been quickly shown into us that the password is just a simple C-score. Now, this is very important. Each and every time you're setting policies, each and every time you're informed that you have to create complex passwords, you need to ensure that your passwords combine both uppercase and lowercase characters. It combines alphanumeric characters, and it's at least 8 or more characters longer. Now, this would make your password very strong. I'd like to look at another password that is a bit stronger as compared to the previous one. Just want to quickly copy it. This is a password 5, as we are shown here. That is Cisco password 5. I'll quickly go back to my password cracker, move to Cisco type 5 password, paste it, and crack password. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. This is an indication that a password that is stronger would take longer or even sometimes not so easy to crack as compared to a password that is simple. Now, friends, I would like you to remember that even the most sophisticated encryption methods, when we use simple passwords like Cisco without any special characters, they would not be able to secure our passwords further. Now, this is very important in each and every situation as you're working in an environment to ensure that your passwords are meeting the best encryption or the best complexity standards. In this video, we looked at how vulnerable Telnet is, as well as how important it is for us to create passwords that meet the complexity standards, that is. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.